Hello everyone. Welcome to yet another tutorial. This tutorial we are going to be looking at the fillet in SolidWorks. Yes. So it's this little thing here, the sketch fillet, and it has got a drop down menu. However, right now everything is not active here because we haven't reached the level of using them. So what we are going to do, I'll first select a plane. So having selected my plane where I would like to have my sketch, it is now active. It is showing the sketch fillet and the sketch chamfer. So we are going to look at both of them at the same time. So to demonstrate this, I'll first get a line. I try to sketch something. So this is roughly like a rectangle that I'm doing. And the fillet will round these corners. Right now they are at 90. We are going to make a round corner here, and it's specified by the radius from this point. So having made your sketch like this rectangle, you can come here and say sketch fillet. So there are two ways in which you can apply the sketch fillet. First of all is by clicking at that corner, at the point corner, like that. That's the preview that is showing. However, let me increase on the radius a bit. So if you come and left click on the corners, left click like that, then you press OK. So there we have rounded our corners using the common point that was placed there. That is the first sample or the first application. The other is still differs slightly in the way that this time round you select that and this, so it's there. However, it's small because my rectangle is big. So you select this line and this line, it will form there. Select this line and this line, it will form between the two lines. Select that line and this line, it will form between the two lines. Then you say OK, like that. See? So on the other hand, the chamfer, what the chamfer does is it's like it will bridge the corner to form another line joining the two. So this is rounding. This is basically a straight edge joining the 2 points, killing the corner completely. Here we are going to have a look at that also. Assuming this is my sketch, so I want to make a chamfer here. This is about rounding off, and we are using red eye. For the chamfer, it's somehow different. What we use is now a straight edge killing off the corner. Straight edge killing off the corner. Yes, so I'm going to have one example. So they are telling us equal distance. It can be equal distance, distance, or distance and angle. I'm going to look at the two of them. However, right now we're going to first look at the equal distance. So that's my distance, 10 millimeters. I'll come select that, select that. So it has been formed. However, it's somehow small, you see. So it's equal distance, this side, this side. I can increase it. So since I've increased now, so this is 2020, this is 20, this is 1010. So I can decide also to go further and increase this to 40. So I can select that corner step. It will come out like that. Or I select the two lines that are meeting, this one and this one. See? Then you say okay. So the corners have been killed. The corners at 90 have been killed. So we are having larger angles, large internal angles, like you can see. So also looking at the chamfer, assuming I make another sketch, and see, you can use this. Like that. No, let me maintain it. Assuming that's it. So this time around what I want to use is the other method, not the method, which is the second way of chamfering, where we don't have where we're having angle distance. Excuse me. So if you consider angle distance, you shall have one distance and 1 degree. Remember, if you have the distance and 1 degree, it's similar to this. But here I have 10, 10. However, the triangle that has gone off is 10, 10, 45, 45, right? So it's almost similar. You can have 4 millimeters or 750 by 60. So this one will give us a variation in our in the triangle that we shall be having here. Okay, I say okay, and so I want to do the chamfer of that setting. I'll come and click this. So you see the difference. I have 50 millimeters, I have 60 millimeters. It's no longer like 45, 45. You can also adjust that angle to make it 80. You see, you can make it 80. So that means this kind of formula I can actually make a polygon. I can make a polygon out of it. But I won't go that side. Yeah, I want it to be as short as possible. So that is another method. You can vary also the distance, set 60 for this. So you can click the point no, it's not now coming. Maybe it's either too small or there is a bit of a problem. Check out. It's a 45 then. Oh, sorry. I'm repeating it again. The chamfer. Say if I take this, so for this one it's distance, however equal distance non-selected, so can have the two varying like that. See, that means that for the other one it has got a limit. So this becomes my sketch. See, so the difference between the chamfer and the fillet is that for the chamfer the corners are killed by a straight line. The corners are not killed by a straight line. However, in the fillet they are curves. The corners are basically curved to kill them off. Yeah, this is so important in manufacturing, whereby you don't need sharp corners as they are a source of injuries to the clients or the consumers. So most of the products are chamfered at the edge or smoothened or rounded, just to keep that in mind, that the client at one point may get injured by the part. Thank you so much. That has been some brief introduction on the fillet for a beginner. Yeah, please watch out for more videos. I'll be looking at the trim and the text, so watch out for more videos. Thank you for those who have subscribed. Thank you for those who have watched, and please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to support my YouTube channel, and also watch out for more videos. Thank you so much. We'll meet again.